Rattlesnakes are some of the most iconic and fascinating reptiles in the animal kingdom, known for their distinctive rattling sound, potent venom, and coiled defensive posture. They belong to the family Viperidae, under the subfamily Crotalidae, which includes pit vipers. These venomous snakes are native to the Americas, primarily found across the United States, Mexico, and South America. In this detailed description, we will explore rattlesnakes' physical characteristics, behavior, habitat, feeding habits, reproduction, venom, and their role in the ecosystem. 1. Physical characteristics of rattlesnakes. Rattlesnakes are relatively large snakes, with adult sizes ranging from 1 to 8 feet (0.3 to 2.4 meters) depending on the species. The average rattlesnake weighs between 2 to 10 pounds (0.9 to 4.5 kilograms), but some larger species, like the eastern diamondback, can weigh even more. Rattle. The rattlesnake's most recognizable feature is its rattle, located at the tip of its tail. The rattle is made of a series of interlocking, hard keratin segments that create a buzzing sound when vibrated. This sound is a warning mechanism used to deter predators or threats. Each time a rattlesnake sheds its skin, a new segment is added to the rattle. However, the rattle segments can break over time, so the length of the rattle does not always indicate the snake's age. Heat-sensing pits. As members of the pit viper family, rattlesnakes possess heat-sensing pits located between their eyes and nostrils. These specialized organs help them detect the infrared radiation emitted by warm-blooded prey, such as rodents, even in complete darkness. This gives them an incredible hunting advantage, especially in low-light conditions. Body coloration. Rattlesnakes exhibit a variety of color patterns, which serve as camouflage in their natural habitats. Their skin is typically marked with dark, diamond-shaped, or hexagonal patterns on a lighter background, though the exact coloration depends on the species and environment. These colors help rattlesnakes blend into rocky terrain, desert sands, or forested areas, allowing them to ambush prey and avoid predators. Fangs and venom. Rattlesnakes have long, retractable fangs that are connected to venom glands located in the upper jaw. These fangs fold against the roof of the mouth when not in use and snap forward when the snake strikes. The venom is a potent mixture of hemotoxins and neurotoxins, which immobilize and begin digesting prey while also posing a serious threat to predators and humans. 2. Habitat. Rattlesnakes are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats across North and South America. These habitats include deserts. Many rattlesnake species, such as the western diamondback and Mojave rattlesnake, thrive in desert environments where they can blend in with sandy and rocky terrain. Grasslands. Rattlesnakes are also commonly found in grasslands, prairies, and scrubland regions. Forests. Some species, like the timber rattlesnake, prefer temperate forests and mountainous regions. Wetlands and marshes. A few species, such as the eastern diamondback, can be found in wetland environments, though they are less common in these areas compared to dry, arid regions. Rattlesnakes are generally solitary creatures and are most active during warmer months, often basking in the sun or hiding under rocks, logs, or burrows to regulate their body temperature. They are ectothermic cold-blooded animals, meaning they rely on external heat sources to maintain their body temperature. In colder climates, rattlesnakes enter a state of brumation, a type of hibernation during the winter months, often congregating in dens with other rattlesnakes to conserve heat. 3. Behavior. Rattlesnakes are ambush predators, relying on stealth and patience to capture their prey. They usually lie motionless, waiting for small mammals or birds to wander within striking distance. When hunting, they strike quickly, injecting venom through their fangs, and then releasing the prey. After the venom immobilizes or kills the prey, the rattlesnake will use its highly developed sense of smell and heat-sensing abilities to locate and consume it. Rattling and defensive posture. The rattlesnake's rattle serves as a warning signal to potential predators or threats. When Threatened, a rattlesnake will coil its body, raise its head in an S shape, and rattle its tail to produce the characteristic buzzing sound. This behavior is meant to deter predators and prevent conflict. Rattlesnakes generally prefer to avoid confrontation and will only strike in defense if they feel cornered or provoked. Nocturnal activity. Many rattlesnake species are nocturnal or crepuscular, meaning they are most active at dusk or during the night. This is especially true in hot climates, where daytime temperatures can be too extreme for them to hunt or move safely. 4. Feeding habits. Rattlesnakes are carnivorous and primarily feed on small mammals, such as mice, rats, and rabbits. Some species also eat birds, lizards, frogs, and occasionally insects. Because of their sit-and-wait hunting strategy, rattlesnakes rely on their ability to strike quickly and accurately, injecting venom to incapacitate their prey. After striking, the rattlesnake will follow the scent trail of the dying prey, which is often a short distance away. Once the prey is located, the rattlesnake swallows it whole, head first. The snake's hinge jaws allow it to consume animals much larger than its head. Digestion can take several days, during which the snake becomes less active. 5. Reproduction. Rattlesnakes reproduce sexually and have a live birth process known as ovoviviparity, where eggs develop and hatch inside the female's body before the young are born alive. This is different from most snakes, which lay eggs outside their bodies. Mating season typically occurs in the spring or early summer, and females give birth in late summer or early fall after a gestation period of several months. Female rattlesnakes can give birth to anywhere from 4 to 25 offspring at a time, depending on the species. The newborn rattlesnakes, called neonates, are fully developed and capable of fending for themselves from birth. Although they are born with venom and tiny fangs, neonates are more vulnerable than adults and must quickly learn to hunt and avoid predators. 6. Venom. Rattlesnake venom is a complex mix of proteins, enzymes, and toxins that target the circulatory and nervous systems of their prey. The venom works by disrupting blood clotting, breaking down tissues, and impairing neuromuscular function. The exact composition of venom can vary between species, but it generally contains hemotoxins. These toxins attack red blood cells and blood vessels, causing internal bleeding and tissue damage. This is the primary type of venom in most rattlesnakes. Neurotoxins. Present in some species like the Mojave rattlesnake, neurotoxins affect the nervous system, causing paralysis by disrupting the transmission of nerve signals to muscles. For humans, rattlesnake bites can be serious and potentially life-threatening without medical treatment. Symptoms of a bite include severe pain, swelling, bruising, nausea, difficulty breathing, and in extreme cases, death. However, rattlesnakes generally do not attack humans unless provoked, and most bites occur when people accidentally step on or near the snake. Antivenom is available to treat rattlesnake bites, and prompt medical attention is critical to reduce the risk of severe complications. 8. Threats and conservation. Rattlesnakes face several threats, both natural and human-made. Habitat destruction, urbanization, and agricultural expansion have led to the loss of rattlesnake habitats, forcing them into closer contact with humans, which often leads to conflicts. Many rattlesnakes are killed out of fear, even though they play a vital role in their ecosystems. In addition, some species of rattlesnakes are hunted for their skins, meat, and rattles, which are sometimes used in traditional medicines or sold as souvenirs. Events like rattlesnake roundups, where rattlesnakes are captured and killed in large numbers, have also contributed to declining populations in some areas. 9. Species of rattlesnakes. There are over 30 species of rattlesnakes. Additionally, rattlesnakes serve as prey for larger animals such as hawks, eagles, coyotes, and other predators. Despite their venomous reputation, they are an essential link in the food web and contribute to the health of their habitats.